Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a WhatsApp tutorial on how to clear WhatsApp call logs on your Android phone. It's easy and simple. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the WhatsApp app, then you tap on the WhatsApp app. So once it opens, you go to calls, then you tap on calls. So here are the calls I've received, I've missed, okay, and I've put through. Here are all of them put together. The next thing you're going to do is to go to these three dotted lines here, then you tap on it. Once it opens, you're going to see clear call log, then you tap on it to clear call log. Do you want to clear your entire call log? You tap on OK. So as you guys can see, our call log has been cleared. This is how to clear call log on WhatsApp. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day.